Well, we are keeping close tabs on the nearly 50 people who are looking for a new place to live. This after Paducah officials condemned a long-term hotel.
News 3's Waylon Walsh-Parker spoke with residents and local groups who are helping people find a place to stay.
Thomas Shaw McCroy and Kimberly Egan lived at the Country Hearth Inn and Suites, also known as Noble Inn, with their kids.
I make a joke, my kids can't play in the parking lot because the feces and the needles in the parking lot, but they also can't be in their room because they got to fight the roaches and the rats to get the food.
The Noble Inn was condemned by Paducah's Health and Fire Department for various reasons.
Bed, you can hear the mice rolling under your mattress.
They shared they had a hard time finding places that would rent to them as a family of 7 with 2 dogs.
I've had people tell me they couldn't rent to me because I had too many kids. So what am I supposed to do, throw one of my kids out?
McCroy says the inn was their last resort.
If you think it's easy taking care of 5 kids or cheap, by no means.
Fire officials say they found some rooms without working smoke detectors and exposed wiring, while health officials found mold.
We found rodent droppings in 2 rooms, damage to ceilings and walls in 5 rooms.
The city's environmental manager, Joel Barrett, says the inn only had 38 usable rooms and they had closed down 11.
And the fire marshal came in an hour or 2 later and just closed it all down because they had not met the requirements of the fire marshal's office.
David Donegan with Paducah Salvation Army says they and other nonprofits received a call to help nearly 50 tenants.
It's not their fault. It's a property situation, and it was done for their safety. It was, we don't want anyone living in an unsafe environment. So
Donegan says their next steps is helping residents figure out permanent housing.
we were able to take care of the next 5 days to kind of give them an opportunity to regroup themselves.
Donegan says every family that was displaced was put into the state's homeless system, which will allow the state to reach out to them with resources. In Paducah, Waylon Walsh-Parker, News 3.